Asher, man, are you playing out in the rain with your raincoat and splashing them puddles? Whoa, it's a rainy day out here. We are just getting soaked in water. Look at the Duramax. It is, poor thing's getting all rained on, but at least the vet is not. Man, it is nice keeping this booger clean. Man, we need to get this out more. We haven't had it out much. I need to show you guys. I don't think it, whoa, a hot rod. Look at this in here, guys. The red lighting is so sick. It's probably like a $5 Amazon light, but who cares? They replaced all the lighting in the interior with red LED. Man, this thing is so hot. Well, like father, like son, I'm cleaning up the vet. Asher's cleaning up his, what do you call this car? Is that like a little Camaro? Well, he's taking good care of his. I'm taking care of mommy and daddy's. And yeah, we're just having a great, making the best of this great rainy day out here.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We keeping it low-key today. It's Sunday. I'm about to run to the gym. But I had to unbox this stuff because I need to get to using some of it. But I got another order from Head Kandy. Y'all, if you have not used Head Kandy like hair products, styling tools, you're missing out, yo. Okay. So first and foremost, I was actually really surprised that I got this in my order. I didn't know that this was coming in my order, but I got a free bag, freeze frame. But you guys, okay, so let me just open this and let me show you. I have to stop crinkling this because I know it's probably like loud. So this came like at a perfect time because I'm getting ready to head to Nashville to meet up with a few like of my pharmacy peeps and go to a on the road event with the CEO. But y'all, my duffel bag, look at this, like it's like really spacious. And it's got this cute like pink sparkly strap. Like, come on. I'm a sucker for a good duffel bag. Anybody else? Especially when they come free with your order. Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys. So let's go ahead and unbox this stuff. This is what I was really excited about. So Head Kandy does these like monthly candy teas, like t-shirts. But they're called candy teas. And this one, I just had to get this one because it's awesome. Look at this. Half hood, half holy. And it says that means pray with me, don't play with me. I had to. But this one, for size reference, I did get a small just because I know that they do run a little bit bigger, but it is more of like a kind of a slim fit tee, and it's longer too. So for those of us that like to wear it with leggings and like don't want like a crop top, you know, shirt, it's really nice because it comes down to like here, okay? So here would be your booty, and then the shirt goes over it. And that's a small. So I just love how they design these shirts to be like long but still like fitted and I don't know, flattering, I feel like. But anyways, this is the April tee. So half hood, half holy. Mamas, you need that shirt in your life. And then I ran out of my shampoo and conditioner. It takes me a long time to run out of shampoo and conditioner, you guys, because you know, dry shampoo is my best friend. And I only wash my hair like once a week. So I did have to grab more of my shampoo and conditioner. I do like to incorporate this one, but then obviously you guys know I have been doing like the pink shampoo, like incorporating it to make my hair pink, but I'm switching up the color. So, which means I'm switching up all my like shampoo, like what I'm adding in and everything. But stay tuned for that. I'll be doing a video on what I'm switching to. I'm just having too much fun with these colorful shampoos. But anyways, these are the keratin amino keratin, I said it backwards, but this is the tag along conditioner and then the main squeeze shampoo. So I just like them because it does give you a nice balance of protein and moisture, because if you have too much of one or the other, it's like it can just kind of throw off the balance of your hair. But I really like those because I just feel like it helps balance out that protein and moisture in the hair equally, so you're not getting too much of either. My beauty candy, this stuff right here. It's really nice. So it's got biotin and collagen. So it's supposed to help overall like hair, skin, nails, help your hair grow faster, help your, you know, hair, skin, and nails look healthier, everything like that. So I really like it. It's kind of got like it's a raspberry flavor. It's almost kind of like a little bit sour, but they're gummies and I swear they taste like candy. Asher always wants to eat them. He's like, mom gum, because gummies. He has gummy vitamins too that he eats, but he's always like, mom gum? I'm like, no, you can't have those. Your hair grows fast enough. My best friend, dry shampoo. Yes, I got 4 of them. I go through these things like crazy because like I said, I only wash my hair like once a week and that's no joke. So dry shampoo is my best friend. And it's nice, they do like put the tape up here on the top so the caps aren't coming off, it's not spraying around in the box, anything like that. But this is the Wannabe dry shampoo. If you are looking for a good dry shampoo, this is it, trust me. I have tried 1,000,001 dry shampoos, and between like the white residue and the build up and the smell, everything like that, like this one takes the cake. Like there's no white residue buildup, like even after using it for a week. There's no white residue. It smells awesome, and it's just super like lightweight, and it kind of just makes your hair feel really like lightweight and fluffy after you use it. So I'm obsessed with it, if you can't tell. And then I did grab a travel size of the Smooth Talker Argan Oil here. And then I grabbed a travel size of the Third Wheel, quote unquote Jesus juice. It smells so good. But this is like your all-in-one. Like it's a leave-in, it's a heat protectant, anti-frizz, like it does it all. But I got travel sizes to kind of, so that way I can like pack it for the trip and everything. All of their like big like products like these, the liquid ones, they will put in this like bubble wrap so they don't like explode. But there is like new packaging for the Third Wheel, like the big bottles. Let me show you. So this was the old one. So like it was still cute, right? But this one I feel like they just made it look so much more like sleek. They added like the silver around here. Like it's still that type of sprayer, but I just feel like they made it look a little bit more sleek, and the design on the bottle is like really pretty. So this is what the new one looks like. Same formula, same perfectness. But like I was saying, this is like your all-in-one, like smells awesome. It's a leave-in conditioner that you spray in. I like to spray it in right after I wash my hair to like brush through it, and then I will put a little bit of the Smooth Talker Argan Oil on my ends before I blow dry, and it really just helps your hair be like really soft and like not that like blown out frizzy feel, you know? And then I did have to re-up on my Brass Kisser shampoo. Like I said, I haven't been using this one because I was doing the pink, but I'm switching it up, and so I need to incorporate this. Hint, hint. Finally, my hairspray. Anyways, you guys, this is the passive aggressive hairspray. I am a total hairspray girl. Like, I have to have it, just have to. I mean, retired hairstylist here. I am hairspray obsessed. I really like that it does have an extra strong hold to it, but if you like spray it on your curls and then you kind of brush through it, it's still a really soft, flexible hold. It doesn't make your hair like crunchy. You guys know. No one needs crunchy curls, okay? Get those crunchy curls out of here. We ain't in the 80s. Okay, I got 2 new products, you guys. I forgot to get one of the things that came, actually I forgot to get 2 of the things that came with it. I was doing this order, putting it in at like 2 in the morning the other night, so, you know, I forgot a couple things. Look at this. Let me just show you. This is the new Head Kandy, the Stay Salty Body Scrub. I'm so excited. The whole like the Stay Salty line is just awesome. I haven't even got to try like the shampoo and conditioner just because I've been doing all these like crazy colors and stuff, so I've been pretty picky about like what I'm putting on as far as like the color of the shampoo, because like I said, I did the pink with like a color depositing shampoo and conditioner, so anytime I used a regular shampoo it would like rinse out the pink color. So so now I'm like switching it up and I'm like ordering other things, but they came out with the, who doesn't love like a body scrub, especially summer coming up. You want that glow, you want to get rid of all that like dead skin. So I got the body scrub This is like a pretty decent sized tub too. I am an affiliate with Head Kandy as well, so if you want to shop any of the items that I have or anything like that, my link is down below. I appreciate any and all support. Even just watching the videos, thank you. And then also, this is the Stay Salty Body Wash. Like, look how big this thing is, and it's nice because it has a pump. So like, I don't know about you guys, but my body washes, like, I always feel like, you know, flip open the tab, do this, like, and then I end up dropping it or something, you know, like, slips out of my hand. I'm a klutz. But I really like that this has a pump, like, just like, you know, the shampoos and conditioners. So that way you can pump it on like your loofah. But that was one of the things I forgot to order with this. It actually came, like, the Stay Salty line has its own loofah, and I forgot to order it. Looks like I'll be putting in another order. But it also came out with a mud mask for your hair. I'm like super excited to try it, and I forgot to order it. That and the loofah, I just totally forgot. But like I said, put this order in late at night. Anyways, but here are the 2 new products, you guys. But anyway, so I will let you guys know what I think of the Stay Salty body scrub and body wash after I use that. And yeah, if you have any questions about any of the other products, drop comments down below, reach out to me through Facebook, Instagram, anything like that. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching and tuning in and hanging out with me, y'all. I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and I will see you next video. Bye!